Okay. Alright, here's a Janitrol. And a Rheem classic high efficiency heat pump. So yeah, these are heat pumps. And the guts are back here. On the Rheem, it's model number RPMC 018JAZ, serial 6303M1503, single phase, 60 hertz in USA. And I don't know where the air handler is, but ooh, I just scratched my arm. Ouch. Energy guide. 12 sear. And nice and cold. 12. I know. And Janitrol. Yeah, that's Janitrol. Heat pump, probably. Model number CPE241AB, serial 9505 41277. I messed up. Model CPE24-1AB, serial 9505041277. So, nice and cold. 2-ton Janitrol and a 1-ton Rheem, half-a-ton Rheem. Alright, I'm going to cut this short. Alright, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.